Hi there everybody, welcome to my channel Cut to the Chase. Today I'm going to be working on the Toyota Alphard. We're removing this rear light cluster to change the bulb. So over here you see a little screw there, and that's got a 10mm head which you want to remove, and a 10mm head, and it's as simple as that. You remove those two and then slide it backwards. You'll see the little location notch on there, and that slides backwards. One thing you want to do is avoid trying to pull it outwards, because that will just crack the section there. So don't do that, just slide it backwards. You might use a trim remover just to gain a little bit of purchase to be able to pull it backwards. And here I'm going to show you the unit as it's removed, and there you can see the little location plastic there where that goes on. Now you can probably understand better why you're going backwards. So when you're removing, going backwards. When you're going in, you slide it forward and keep it nice tight up against the bodywork to look it in. There you go, there's the bulbs. There's two of them in here, two lamps, and that's the top lamp and the bottom lamp. I'm going to show you them both so you can see it, and also you can see the foam surround all the way around. That stops the vibration. I would imagine it gives you a much quieter headlamp fitting. So I hope that's actually been of use to you, and remember there's lots of other videos here on Toyota Alphard to help you along, so do have a look. If you've got any questions, I've probably got no answers on this one, but it's simple as that. Don't make it too complex. When you go, make sure you tighten it back up, but don't over tighten it, you'll crack the plastics. Take care.